Yes, if I have a temperature, what do I have?
You are hot.
You are hot. Yeah, we don't say you're hot. We say you have a fever.
You have fever, yeah.
Yes. Okay. You are hot.
You are hot.
Hello, everyone. Welcome back again to the channel. I am Wissam.
And I am Seray.
And we are here today to learn more English words so you'll be able to use them out in the real world. Guess what we're going to learn today?
Let me guess.
Yeah, let me guess. As if she hasn't.
Illnesses.
Well, it's not illnesses actually. It's about health.
Okay.
In
The
general.
hastalıklar.
We're not going to learn illnesses like illness. We're going to learn about health. So let's start things off by asking you: are you a healthy person?
I think I am.
You think you are? Okay. Like, do you have a healthy lifestyle, stuff like that?
No.
Then so how are you healthy?
I do not any sports.
You don't
right
do any
now.
sports?
Yeah, like I do not go to gym
Okay.
or something, but I do breakfast. Never passed.
You never pass breakfast.
Yeah.
You always have breakfast.
Yeah.
All right, fair enough.
I do breakfast now. I
have breakfast.
I have breakfast. Just only this.
That's the only thing you have?
Yeah.
That's the only thing you do? I just have breakfast.
Only this.
Yeah. All right, then you're not really that healthy. That's fine. That's fine. So let's talk about
The dream influencer lives.
yeah.
I have breakfast and just this. Just only this.
Yeah. No burgers, no fries, nothing. Come on.
Yeah.
Yeah, no.
I'm kidding.
I know.
This is the dream
The influencer's
life.
life.
I have breakfast and just.
Yeah,
only
that's the
have
only food she eats.
I have only this.
Mm-hmm.
I have only this.
I only have breakfast.
Yeah, but
Yeah.
like it's not the healthy breakfast.
You just get a toast
I
or something.
eat like sandwich. Yeah.
Yeah, like a toast or something. Okay.
Yeah.
So when you are not living a healthy lifestyle, you would get ill, right? Well, most of the time.
Yeah. This is the formula.
Yeah, that's the formula. So let's go with
Denklem. What's
That's-
the denklem?
not
Like
formula.
2 plus 2.
That's
equal,
formula.
4. Like
That's
this.
the equation.
Yeah,
equation.
Denklem.
Yeah, that's the equation. So let's talk about what could happen to you. So for example, if you have a pain in your head, what do we call it?
Headache.
Headache. This is the first thing that we want to mention. So the word ache.
Ache.
Okay,
Ağrı.
ache. Yes. But ache is a type of pain that is, I was going to say hot because you were doing this. Hey, that's good.
Yeah.
So the word ache, like I said, it's pain, but it's not like horrible pain. It's
Yeah,
like
ache.
uncomfortable. Yeah.
Yeah.
So we have different types of with aches though. Like there are words that we use with the word ache. So the best one, the common one is headache. Mm-hmm. What else do we use for ache?
Stomachache.
Stomach ache.
O çok komik. Sadece stomach deyince bile
Stomach, not
ağrıymış gibi.
stomach.
Stomach de
Yes, stomach ache.
ağrıymış gibi geliyor.
Stomach ache. Yes. What else?
Earache.
No, we don't say earache. We say
what,
toothache.
What can we say for the
Ear pain.
ear pain? O acı çekme gibi.
Yeah. So, for example, toothache.
Okay. Toothache. Makes sense.
Also, we have backache.
Backache.
Ache is not for every part of the body. So we have headache, stomachache, backache, toothache. Those are the aches that we have. We can say.
Leg ache.
No. What about the
Coach.
Not coach.
Ne?
Coach is the trainer.
Evet, I know that, but öksürükmüş gibi geliyor.
Yeah,
It sounds like öksürük.
Yeah, GH sounds like an F, so cough.
Benziyormuş işte. Cough. And coach.
Yes. Yeah, they're different. Cough. What about if you have some sort of allergy and you start like
Snuff. Snuff? No.
snuff? No.
No.
That's
Burun
sniff.
çekmek sniff mi?
Sniff.
Of, hepsini yanlış biliyorum, kafayı yiyeceğim.
That's sniff.
Tamam diyorum. Ne hapşuruk ne? Tissue şey değil mi?
Sneeze.
Sneeze. Bu tissue muydu?
That's tissue
Tissue.
or facial.
Mendil işte.
Okay. What about if you have pain here?
Sen demiştin bunu
Yes.
geçen ders. Throat değil mi burası? Sore throat muydu?
Sore throat.
Throat. Okay.
Boğaz
throat.
ağrımak. So sore,
Sore.
throat.
Ya ben o sore, ekşinin sour.
Sour.
Sour patch'teki sour.
Ha,
Sanmıştım.
sour.
Sour patch.
Sour
Okay.
and sore.
Tamam ben
Yeah.
sore'la onun yazılışı aynı sanmıştım.
Yeah. So
O
sore
yüzden
throat.
ekşimek falan sandım.
Also, we say itchy throat as well. Itchy. You know the word itchy?
No.
You want to itch. Yeah. So we say itchy throat.
Kaşınıyor.
Yeah, that's annoying. What about if you have some temperature?
Ateş
Yes,
çıkmak
ateş. So what do we say?
Fever biraz garip.
Fever. Fever. I mean, that's the name of
Espri
it.
de yapamadım ateşin İngilizcesini bilmediğim için.
Flame.
Flame.
And what about if you're always like sniffing? Always sniffing.
Like you get cold falan mı?
No, I mean because you have a
Üşüttün
runny
beni.
nose. Runny nose.
Ha burnum akıyor. Runny
Yes,
nose.
runny
Burnum
nose.
koşuyor.
Yes, of course you. So we have runny nose. The opposite of runny nose, if like you cannot breathe,
Burnum tıkalı. Dur, closed nose.
closed, but not closed.
Closed.
Blocked.
Blocked.
Blocked
Makes
nose.
sense.
Okay, blocked nose. So blocked nose, the opposite is runny nose.
Runny
Runny,
nose.
runny.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah, runny nose.
It's like happens to me like in the same time.
Me too. Me too. It happens.
Because we are allergic people.
Yeah, we have what? We're not allergic people. We have allergies.
I know that, but allergic. Hani allergic.
Yeah, I know. Allergic. Okay. Let's say you got a cut. Cut.
Scarf.
Not scarf. Scarf is this one.
No, not
You
scar.
mean scar. No, okay, let's say you got a cut.
Bu kadar da yanlış söylemezsin. Scar. Yes.
Okay, let's say you got a cut.
Yeah.
Okay? So let's say not cut, actually paper cut. You know paper cut?
Yeah, I know.
Yeah, that's really annoying. So when you have paper cutting, they're like, ow. What type of pain is that?
Pain.
No, we say sharp.
Kesti çünkü.
Sharp pain. Sharp pain is like when you feel it immediately and then it goes away. So you get it, sharp pain.
Yeah.
So like you immediately feel it and then it goes away.
Yeah, I know
Okay,
that.
that's sharp pain. So, and we also said ache, which is the uncomfortable feeling. Pain, which is the ağrı, the
Acı.
normal. Yes. What about if it's really painful, like extremely painful, excruciating? Yeah, it's a new word, excruciating pain.
Artık yayınlanınca bölüm yazılışına bakarım.
Yes, excruciating. Excruciating. It means like extreme pain. You got it? Yeah. So those were the types of pain. Now let's go for some more more symptoms. So, for example, if you hit your arm,
Yeah.
okay, and then you
It
have
hurts.
it hurts, yes, but then you'll have a blue mark. You know,
Evet.
what do we call that?
Morluk.
Morluk.
Ya Türkçe'de morluk, İngilizce'de ne demek?
Bruise.
Bruise.
Bruise. So, bruise, like we said, if you have a blue mark after a hit.
Bruise.
Bruise.
Okay.
What about if you're playing basketball, for example, and you were shooting the ball and then you fell on your leg, but you fell like this?
Okay. Burkmak.
Yes.
Broken.
Not broken, but it's actually twisted.
Oh.
Twisted ankle or sprained ankle, but sprain or twist. Both are okay. All right. Yeah, twisted. What about like right now? If it's really hot, and after some time you feel like, now you don't sleep. You like.
Bayılır mıyım?
Yes.
I don't know.
Lose consciousness.
Consciousness.
Yes. Or yeah, lose consciousness. It's like because for an unknown reason you can't handle it. Your body can't handle it, so your body shuts down. So you fall. So you lose consciousness. Yes.
Okay.
Yeah. So when we're talking about illnesses, we don't say like I am fever or I am cold. Also, specifically, it happens with when COVID was inactive. So COVID-19, Corona.
Yeah.
Yeah. A lot of people say I am COVID
Yeah.
or I was COVID.
You are COVID.
Yeah, that's wrong. You should never say I'm COVID or you are COVID or whatever. Say I was infected with COVID. Yeah, or if you want to make it simpler, I have or I had
I
COVID.
have.
Yeah. For illnesses, we don't say I am the illness. No, you say you
are
have the
the
illness. You are the illness.
You are the
the disease,
The most bad,
the worst
the worst
illness ever.
Aynen, it's like curses.
Like a curse, like a curse,
aynen.
yeah. So
you are the cold.
you are the cold. So we don't say I am that, we say I have that. Okay, I have the illness. That's just as a note. Okay, let's talk a bit about, so we talked about illnesses. Now we're gonna move forward and we're gonna talk about medicine. First of all,
Healing.
well, healing is, yeah.
İyileştirmek için yap. For healing.
But they use it in video games mostly. Healing items, for example. We don't use
Yeah,
that.
I know from the game.
Yeah, exactly. We say like he's a healer. No one says a healer anymore, but yes. So actually now we use the word treat.
Treat.
Yes, as heal. The same meaning.
Ya tamam.
Yeah.
Healing yani sadece oyunlarda mı?
Not sadece, but mostly. Yeah.
Normalde kimse healing demiyor.
They don't use healing, no. Only in games they use the word heal. But in real life we use the word treat. Treat. So let's talk about now medicines a little bit, or something that's connected with making you feeling better. So let's start with, like, for example, if the doctor wants to give you medicine by like through your vein.
Damar yoluyla.
Yeah, like this one. What do they
Vein.
use?
Damar is vein.
No, the vein is this ones.
Yeah, damar.
Damar, yes, there you go.
This one's actually. This one?
Yeah. So if the doctor wants to give you medicine through the vein, so what do they use? Syringe. Syringe. Yeah. Now, actually, syringe is the official name for them, but doctors they use injection.
Yeah.
They say injection.
By injection.
Yes, by injection.
And by syringe?
Syringe is the official name of this tool.
Yeah, I mean
but they don't
that.
say like use the syringe to inject or give me the injection.
Okay.
Okay. Also, there's a different word also for that. Shot, but it's not used by doctors.
Yeah,
Yeah.
argo kelime.
Yeah.
They
Shot.
No, it's like daily
Slang.
Yeah, it's
Yeah, slang. A slang word for that is shot. Give him the shot, for example. Yes, and also faster. So that was the syringe. Do we have another one? If you have some sort, like if your hands are dry, for example, or your face is dry, so what do we use?
Krem aslında krem.
Cream, or we use lotion.
Lotion.
Lotion in Turkish?
Yeah.
But you say cream more than lotion, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
But krem is cream.
Yeah.
And lotion is lotion.
Yeah, it's different, yes. Okay. So we have another one, which is like...
Asla bilemez.
Asla bilemez. Okay, so if you have deficiency...
If you're alive.
If you're alive.
If you are alive.
You're alive. If you have deficiency... Deficiency, like it means low blood. You don't have enough blood.
I didn't know that. I meant to be like...
If you're alive, you have blood.
You have blood, yes.
Yeah, but I'm trying to be more medical.
Your blood is like running
through your body.
Yeah.
Yeah. So the word blood is kan. What about if you have a cough and you want to take medicine for the cough?
Yeah.
So we
Cough
say...
şurup.
Well, shurup is in Turkish, but in English it's also close. It's syrup.
Yeah, I know that.
Cough syrup.
It's similar.
Yeah, it's similar.
Syrup.
Yeah.
And şurup.
And now, if you have a cut...
Öksürük şurubu.
Öksürük şurubu. Yes. So if you have a cut...
Yeah.
Again, but this time you want to clean it, what do we use? In English we say antiseptic. Antiseptic, it's to clean wounds. Antiseptic.
Yeah.
And after you clean the wound, what do you put?
Band.
Band is again in Turkish, but in English, no, in Turkish actually you say bandage.
Bandaj, aynen.
Yeah, but in English it's the same. But
Bandages.
Yeah, bandages.
Bandages.
Yes, the stress only changes.
Like bant olan bantın adı band miydi peki?
Bandages.
No, just like normal one. The normal bant.
Oh, it's not, okay. Tape.
Tape, okay.
Duct tape, for example. Yeah. Now, if you have problems with your eyes, so what do we use for the medicine?
Göz damlası yani.
Or eye drops.
Eye drops.
Yes, which is exactly the same translation. Eye drops.
Yeah.
Yes.
Gözyaşı ne peki? When you crying.
Tear.
While you crying, yeah, tears.
Tear, that's a tear, yeah. Now, if you're taking some pills, now the general name of in Turkish you say hap.
Yes.
It's pills. That's the general name. But they actually have different names as well. So if they are round, If they are round, they're called tablets,
Yeah.
which is in Turkish also say tablets.
Tablets.
Yeah, and if they're actually like actually aspirin is not not a name, not yeah.
It's aspirin is aspirin.
Yeah, aspirins. So we're not aspirin, aspirin.
Okay, aspirin.
Okay, aspirins. Yes, aspirins is that. Yeah, sounded bad. So aspirins. Yes. Let's have some examples here. What if I?
Cough.
Yes.
Okay, you can take some.
You should always should. It's better.
You should take some cough syrup.
Syrup. Cough syrup.
Take some.
Take some
okay.
pills again.
No, take some pills again.
No,
Yeah.
have some cough syrup because it's
Have
drinking.
some. Okay, you should have some cough syrup. Mm-hmm. And what else?
You can eat honey.
No, I know that, but
Okay.
what else?
Okay, what else? If I'm sneezing.
Sneezing, okay.
Mm-hmm.
Sneezing and sniff. There's sniffing.
And also sniffing, yes.
You should go to the doctor.
Yeah, of course.
And you should
Take some
pills again.
Dr. Sarai, everyone. Yeah, if you have any problems, just go to her.
I just agree.
You'll have to pay her money and then she'll be like, I recommend you go
should
to.
take some pills.
Yeah, amazing.
And
Go to
what
the doctor.
else? No.
Okay, what else? Okay. I have.
I think you have stomachache.
Wow, amazing. Amazing. Okay, I have
that.
stomachache. Okay, what should I do, doctor?
Maybe you should take some pills.
Wow, so original. Okay, maybe, just maybe, you should take some
Did you
pills.
surprise?
Very surprised.
Yeah,
like,
I know that.
Like, I can't believe how surprised I am. And what else, doctor? What should I do?
Maybe you should go to the doctor.
They should go to the doctor.
The real doctor.
Wow, the only thing I miss. I tried everything. That's the only thing I did.
When you go to the doctor, you will treating.
You will what?
Healing.
Okay,
Treating.
you will be treated.
You will be treated
Okay, you will be treated.
when you go to the doctor.
Thank you, Dr. Sarai. And if I have
The real doctor.
Yes, if I have a temperature, what do I have?
You are hot.
You are hot. Yeah, we don't say you're hot. We say you have a fever.
You have fever, yeah.
Yes. Okay. You are hot.
You're
Okay.
hot.
So.
You have fever
Okay.
and
Yes.
maybe you should use some
Pills?
wet towel
Wet
for
towel.
your head
Okay.
for the decrease.
To lower. We don't say decrease. Lower.
The lower your
To lower your
temperature.
Should I go to the doctor or no need?
No need.
No need. Okay.
I think no need.
Okay.
Not
Thank you.
necessary.
Thank you, Dr. Sarai. You're always like
Yeah, no thanks needed.
mütevazi. So those were the you can say
Those were the illnesses
Yeah,
and
that was-
medicines
and healings. So thank you guys so much for joining us in our video. We always welcome the support. So always leave a like and a comment down below. And as always,
yes, we are reading the comments.
so please keep writing them. We're reading them. We're taking them into consideration. Thank you so much and see you next time.